Said, we are delighted to welcome you as our next keynote speaker. Said is a professor emeritus, a doctor in social and economic sciences, and an international qualified enterprise content and FDI intelligence and operations and policy expert. He is a professional focal point for the international corporations seeking market expansion in Africa and around the world. He is the founder and chief counsel of Volupolis Capital, an impact inward investment management firm. He has also held several senior roles in government, private institutions, and served in many positions as a senior business analyst, to name one, working in corporate strategy and as an investment architect. Said, it's our pleasure to have you join. Please, if you feel that there's something else that you would like to add about your experience and impressive background, please feel free to do so. And I will now pass the floor to you.
Yes, thank you very much. Sorry for my voice. I'm a little bit sick, as I was talking yesterday with Olawale about the preparations and what we are planning after this conference. What you said highlights more or less my experience, and the key points we discussed yesterday is about the cooperation we are leading in terms of development of unified platform ecosystem for data, deep knowledge, and also the use of data for social and economic transformation. We focus mainly on the economic development and foreign direct investment. And the key element there is how to create more opportunities using data, AI and data and analytics. And the concept or the business model we developed over the years is how to help not only global companies, but also startup ecosystems and governments to attract investment and to be very close to growth and more inclusive development and more sustainable development. And I am very happy to connect with Deep Knowledge Philanthropy and a group at the same time, because despite the fact that we have been working in from different parts of the world, I think our work converges towards something very important, and it's the need for social, economic, and also training and so on in Africa, but in all developing countries. And the platform we have set up to deliver really very sophisticated assistance and support to not only startups, but to global companies willing to develop, so as we can really affect and affect not only economies, but to bring sustainable development to the people we are serving. And the way we are now deploying our system from September on is the accelerator. What I call the accelerator is the system that will deploy all these powerful AI, data, and analytics and our connections in the whole market to create more sustainable opportunities and help data to transform lives and economies in Africa. So that's my main focus now, and we have many projects ready for deployment. And the main one is the accelerator in Casablanca, fully dedicated to startups, but also to support the economies with heavy impact in world investment, where we assist actually many countries in North Africa mainly, and with the very heavy infrastructure, technology, and industrial projects, where we are looking really to bring technology know-how and finance, of course, and on the other side is to open these parts of the world to Europe and to America. The key element here is, since we are talking about deep knowledge, is how we can accelerate all the developments through highly qualified people we have from economic development, but also through financial expertise. So as we deploy solutions, very smart solutions and investment schemes for the different projects, because as you know, different ecosystems, startup ecosystems are lacking not only finance, but they are lacking also connections and the way they can really integrate markets without having headaches on the ground in different jurisdictions where we have expertise. And we are deploying this unified platform in Casablanca for Africa and the Middle East to really be close to the idea makers, to startups and to global companies, so as we can really make a difference in the way they can penetrate the markets, in the way they can affect with their solutions, with their inventions, and how they can impact the local and the regional economies. That's the key elements.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for your presentations. I
Sorry
hope
for my voice. Huh?
No, it's okay. I actually feel really bad. No, it was great. Don't worry.
Sorry,
We caught you. Just need some honey and some lemon, and that should hopefully help. But don't worry. If you are able to, it would be great to have you join us at the end for the Q&A and the panel as well. And again, to our audience, please do send your questions in, and they will be addressed accordingly. Said, thank you so much for joining us. Really insightful discussion with you. And again, we'll be speaking with you very shortly at the end of the Q&A. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.